It's locked. Okay, all that we're going to be doing today is replacing the carburetor. We've got a new one in there. I'll show you guys how to take that off very quickly. And then we've got a 60's bumper in the back that we're going to be mounting and replacing the 70's one. Okay, so just a quick look at the new carburetor. It's for a twin port 1600. That's what it looks like, and you see here the choke and everything has already been preset, so this should be plug in and run absolutely fine. Easiest way to take out the old carburetor is you've got your distributor cap over here, one clip here, one clip on that side. You pop those out and your distributor cap comes out. Then to remove the carb, very easy. You've got a 10mm over there that you take out, and if you look at the back, you've got a 10mm over there which you take out as well, and then the new one will bolt right on. So let's do that quick. Pull the 60's bumper out of the back and line it up to the current one, and then I'll show you guys where the mounting points are different. So as you can see here, the mounting points for the bracket, this is for the 70's bumper, so you need to remove all of those bolts, and then you'll see that actually the 60's bumper doesn't fit and you need a bracket to make it fit. Okay, so today's episode, not really a big build, just got the new carburetor in. I took off the 70's bumper, gonna need brackets to fit the 60's. I'm gonna be doing plugs and leads next weekend, so just a quick update. I showed you guys what the car sounds like starting. Let me just show you what it looks like now. So new carb on, stopper, got the fuel lines in, accelerator cables back in, fuel caps back on, and then I removed the bumper. So I'm gonna need new brackets to fit the 60's. Got the 60's over there and the 71 there. So quick update. Next week we'll change the plugs, we'll change the plug leads. Points are fine. There is a knock coming from the engine, so once we've done the plugs and the plug leads, we'll have to sort it out, either pistons, con rods or head. We'll see what it is. Thanks, bye.